Hello guys, welcome to Omemadi Food Recipe Store. At times we get bored of same old chicken curry. So today I am bringing you the recipe of Palak Chicken with fantastic melody of spinach with chicken. And it's a healthy way to incorporate leafy greens in your diet. So watch for it. If you like watching my videos, do not forget to subscribe and click on the icon button. Let's start with this recipe. I am using chicken drums. You can use even boneless chicken or a whole bone chicken. The first thing is I am adding turmeric powder, ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 cup of curd, and some squeeze of lime. We'll marinate the chicken and we'll keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. After marinating the chicken, the next step we go on to palak. I'm using half a bunch of palak, spinach, and I'm adding this into the hot boiling water here. We are just going to blanch this for a minute or two. It's been 2 minutes and the palak is blanched well. I'll switch off the heat and I'm going to directly add this into chilled cold water with some ice in it. The reason I do this is to avoid the palak getting cooked further and to retain its green color. Now I'm going to squeeze all the palak and remove all the excess water. After we are done with the spinach, now we move on to make some dry masala. I am adding 1 tablespoon of jeera, cumin seeds, black pepper, some cashews, and 10 to 15 almonds. And first we'll make a dry powder of this. After making this into a fine powder, now goes in all the greens here. I'm adding the spinach that we just blanched. Goes in the spinach, coriander, fresh coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves, and 2 to 3 green chilies. And I'm going to add a little water and we'll make a smooth paste of this. After making the puree of all the greens, and this looks so wonderful, I'm going to add all this into the marinated chicken. And we'll again let this marinate for 30 minutes. We'll give this a nice mix. Okay, great. This is done. We'll keep this aside. After marinating the chicken for the second time with all the greens, now we move on. In the pan, I've heated oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil. To this, I'm adding 1 or 2 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 3-4 cloves, 3-4 green cardamom, and now goes again 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera. You just let this flutter. I'm adding 2 chopped onions, fry the onions till they become golden brown. After cooking the onions now, they have become nice and brown. Now goes in the chicken that we've marinated. I'm adding the chicken drums. We'll saute the chicken drums first. We'll saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. After sauteing the chicken drums, it has started leaving oil and the chicken has partially got cooked. Now goes in the remaining puree that we marinated the chicken. We'll give this a nice mix. And further cook this till it comes to a nice boil. The chicken comes to a nice boil and it starts spluttering like this. I'm going to add at this time a little water. You can adjust the water as per the need of your gravy. Now I'm going to cover this with the lid and cook this further till the chicken becomes tender and it's completely cooked well for around 4 to 5 minutes. We'll open the lid and check now. The chicken is almost cooked and even the rawness of spinach is absolutely gone. I'm adding some salt. And 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Finally goes in cream. This is absolutely optional. You can add cream or malai. Just around 2 tablespoons. A nice mix again. And we'll further cook this just for 2 to 3 minutes. And then this should be absolutely done and ready. After further cooking this chicken is absolutely ready. You can see it has started releasing oil on the top. This is the time I'm going to switch off the heat and it's absolutely ready to serve. I'm going to just garnish this with some fresh cream. Enjoy this creamy, flavoursome with aromatic spices and nutrient-rich dish is so delicious that even the picky eaters won't resist this dish. If you like watching my recipes, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment.